Oh, I have a surprise for them. Ta-da! A magical castle.
Wow!
Ooh. Whoa! Wow! This is incredible.
No.
Mine. No way! Let it go. Hey! I don't tolerate this kind of behavior in my class. Off you go.
Ugh, what is this place?
Yoo-hoo!
Oh, hi!
Heya, I challenge you to create… What? Anything you want!
What should I make? Brainstorming in progress. Wait, I've got it! Oh, this is gonna be fun! Nothing says genius like turning your rival into art! Let's see how she likes being my muse. The head looks straight out of Minecraft. I'm embracing the spirit of Picasso. Gotta get the aesthetic right. Edgy and moody. Giving my creations some range of motion. I mean, arms and legs. Connecting all the pieces now. Behold, my fully functional prototype. Maybe this one will be my friend. Hey, is that me? No. You sure? I'm sure. We're besties. Ugh, she's getting on my nerves. I know what'll teach her a lesson. If she made me, it's only fair I return the favor. I mean, two can play this game. Let's see how she likes being my art project. The outfit all tidy, proper, and cutesy. Yep, that's very her. And of course, the trademark glasses. There she is. Aww. Huh? That's me! And that's me! I knew it! Let's swap!
Oh, how adorable!
Yeah, agreed. Now watch this. Psh, it'll be our little secret. Hey! Huh? Wanna see a magic trick? What? Pay attention because I only do this once. Let's turn this plain paper into something profitable. Abracadabra!
Really?
$5 it is!
How did you do that?
I'm a witch! No way! It must be the book that's magic! I want $100!
More paper money? Over here! Enough tricks! Get ready for round 2! Draw a duckling!
Huh. How?
Ding ding!
Shh! I have an idea! My duck's not just gonna quack, it's gonna rock! And it's gonna look cute doing it! Painting it yellow because even rebels need feathers of gold! My ducky needs a C so she can swim free! Uh-huh. Wow! That's awesome! My turn! Ooh. Oh! I know what to do! Gonna give myself a big thumbs up for this clever hack! Now let's turn this thumb into a quacktastic masterpiece! Just a few finishing touches! Quirkiness level of my work is off the charts! I mean, that's basically my brand. My duck is not your average duck. He's got character, and he's got so much love to give. It's weird, it's wonky, it's wonderful.
Okay, I'm impressed. Wait, I wonder…
Oh, please, please, please! Please, 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 please!
Toy ducks? Toy ducks! It worked!
Huh? How?
Huh. Don't be jealous.
Where is it? It was supposed to be in this book! Maybe this one? I can't remember!
Just chillax.
I need to find it! Come on! I just saw that picture yesterday! It's in none of these! Not chemistry, not physics, not literature!
Duh. Show off. Is this an art challenge or a library opening? They're all hers.
The only book I haven't checked. There he is! My crush!
Aha! She needs a bookmark. can't believe all that fuss was for a picture. Maybe this will keep her from losing her mind next time. A bookmark with an edge, literally. A dagger for a damsel in distress. Gotta make it look realistic. Just a few details and this blade's ready for any quest. And done! A bookmark that slays. Ah! No! Don't do this! Relax. Huh? Don't freak out. It's for your books, not your back. Now you'll never lose sight of your crush.
Thanks, but that's mildly terrifying. Wait! Yes! I'll make one that won't give me nightmares. Mini books! Because who doesn't want a portable library? A mark for books made out of books. I've achieved peak nerd. Just wait for it. I mean, it's gonna be so cute that I can't even start my Etsy company. Okay, maybe I'm taking this a bit too seriously. Look at this! It's like a baby novel! Done! So tiny, so perfect, and so me. I love it!
I'm glad I get to keep this. We did well.
Now to the left!
What's going on? I hate TikTok trends.
Okay.
Good. I'll give you your next challenge now. Umbrella! Okay. I got a plan. Here comes my sketch. Did you know that rainy days are my favorite? While others hide from the rain, I dance in it with eyeliner on. Well, that was easy.
Wow, I like that. Now it's my turn. An F minus?
What's wrong? Whoa, wait a second. Girl, this is my exam paper.
Phew, that almost gave me trauma. Yes, and I have a brilliant idea. Trust me to turn straight A's into straight art. My creativity deserves an A too, am I right? Just a little curve here. Is this officially my smartest drawing or what? Ta-da! Now for the fun part. It's coloring time! Red makes it look powerful and adorable. Wow!
Failed exam to the trash. Wait, what? It's raining inside?
Stop! Unlocking my inner magic!
Cool! My turn! Mine rocks. Yours rules. Aren't you curious about what's next? We are! And roses it is!
Yay! So romantic! Look! The universe loves me!
Huh. And I get nothing?
I'll use this as inspiration. Aw, it's so pretty! Wait, no. I hate it!
Hey, watch it!
Ugh, it looks like a cabbage! Ugh.
Stop throwing them at me!
Oops, sorry. Ew! Maybe I'm allergic to roses.
You missed the canvas!
What?
Your nose got a boop of color.
Please tell me this washes off. But wait, I can use this mirror. It's perfect for drawing round shapes. Silver for shine, pink for charm. Genius combo. My roses look like they're glowing with moonlight. That was so fun, by the way. But I'm gonna need a wipe later. Enchanting and dreamy. That's how I would describe these roses. So surreal. I think Salvador Dali would approve. Look!
I get it. You finally managed to draw something. But now it's my turn. Yeah, this one's for my mom. She's the real legend. My rose won't be too delicate. It'll be tough and beautiful. Just like me. Doesn't this look right out of a Tim Burton movie? Gotta go with red. The classic never fails. Mom will be so proud when she sees this.
Hey! Wow! It looks just like this one!
I guess it does. Alright, ready for the next round? The next challenge might just be your biggest test yet. May the best heart win.
I got this. 1, 2, 3. Ryan! Huh?
No!
He's mine! In your dreams?
Ladies, sisters before misters, remember?
Huh? Ugh!
Nope. Feelings deleted.
Hey, Ryan's here. Where?
I'll hide these. That ensures my victory.
You tricked me!
Hey!
Huh?
Focus!
Right. Where are my colors and brushes?
How would I know?
I guess I have to improvise. Aha! See? Sometimes being a nerd pays off. Perfect symmetry, heart edition. Here we go. Every curve is measured. Cupid could never. I mean, who says romance can't be calculated? Equations over emotions, always. My heart will mathematically be flawless. Love is complicated, but geometry? Never. I need to show this to my geometry teacher later. Yes!
Whoa! Now watch me draw something even cooler. A geometric heart is cute and all, but mine's for the modern art gallery.
I am making a statement.
You thought this was a simple drawing? Not a chance. Pink and black, sweet and savage. Just how I like it. It's like Barbie meets punk. I'm creating soft transitions between colors. It's kind of like a Beetlejuice pattern. Need to be slow and careful for this part. Here it is.
Wow!
It's Ryan!
Can't trick me this time.
But
Wow!
you both win the challenge.
Yay!